For a scientific look at how the earthquake happened, we're joined by Ali Pinar. He's the manager of the Regional Earthquake and Tsunami Monitoring Center at Bogazici University's Kandilli Observatory and Earthquake Research Institute. Thanks so much for joining us. From a scientist perspective, how expected was this quake, first of all?
When we plot the seismic activity of the recent 2 decades, we can easily identify that the Gulf of Gökova is seismically active, but only the earthquakes take place in the central part and the eastern part of Gökova Bay. We see that the western part of Gökova Bay can be identified as a seismic gap. Actually, last night, the 6.6 earthquake, of course, nobody claimed that this can be easily predicted, but the seismic distribution, the distribution of the earthquake epicenter can easily identify the area that was ruptured last night. And the aftershock distribution after the main shock, we see that the earthquake took place on a normal fault, on a dipping normal fault. The size of the fault is about 25 times 25 kilometer area. And the aftershock activity is still going on. And up to now, we have recorded about 160 aftershock with magnitudes larger than 2.5. And the largest aftershock magnitude is 4.8 that we recorded until now. But we should state that since the size of the earthquake is 6.6, then we should expect that the maximum aftershock that can take place in the region could be about 5.5, 5.6. That's why strong shaking should be expected, and that's why we state that if the people live in a house that are damaged by the main shock, then they should be very careful, because the aftershock, the largest aftershock, can damage further these damaged buildings by the aftershock.
Okay. Ali Pinar, we will leave it there. Thank you so much for sharing your scientific insight with us on TRT World.